Check out the view. Who can tell me which part this there? I guess them kind of shy, but soon break them in. No worry ahead. The rain messing up the party. Say hi to my vlog. What's your name? Introduce yourself.
Anna.
Where are you from?
Italy.
Italy.
Veronica from Spain.
Spain. That is it, man. That is it. Boom! Wagwan. Arcade Tours and Excursion. You already know the vibes. And we outside like all the time. Yeah, man. Right now we're there one special place, you know? Yeah, man. Special place, man. Check out the view. Who can tell me which part this there? But I guess by the description you're gonna know where I'm at. Beautiful Port Antonio. Yeah, man, that is the vibe, man. Me and two guests. So we started off in Kingston. And we explored Blue Mountain yesterday. I didn't vlog any of that because I actually want to do an official vlog on that by itself. So, today we're just gonna start in Portland. Yeah, man. See the machine there? Clean and nice. Wash him off this morning, And we outside like all the time, and we, two guests here from the Europe side. You understand? Big up Anna and Veronica for choosing me to go on this epic journey, with content creation, with photography, vlogs, drone services, all of that good stuff. You understand? So yeah, we're just there here. I do the right thing, and we have a lot of epic stuff coming up, so let's go and watch what I go on, man. You see me? That is it. Just stay tuned. You see me? Like, share and subscribe to my channel. The sun kind of there in my face still, but me no mind. Yeah, that is it. So like, share and subscribe, and you already know the vibes. That is it. Boom! We're there again. Yeah, man. There in Port Antonio. Yeah, man. Famous Frenchman Cove. Yeah. Well, I just love nature, guys. I don't know. I'm just in love with nature. Like, oh shit, rain and fall and all still. But we're still outside. And we're still exploring beautiful Jamaica. Like, look at this, man. Like, right now, this GoPro not doing no justice. Like, this is beautiful, guys. Beautiful, man. You see me? So yeah, we're there here, explore Jamaica. I guess them kind of shy, but soon break them in. No worry ahead. I'm kind of shy. I'm kind of camera shy, because not everybody love to be on the camera. Not everybody love to put their life out there. So, we're just there easy, and I'll go and do the right thing. So just stay tuned. I take some pictures. I just took some GoPro shots, so I'm gonna add these on the screen right now. So yeah, man, enjoy. Don't know me have to touch your water. You see me? Nice, eh? That is it, man. stay tuned. So we're there, as I say, we're there at Frenchman Cove right now. You know, beautiful Frenchman Cove in Port Antonio. And I'm here with two beautiful young ladies. You know, they're all the way from Europe. And we're outside. They're kind of shy, but you know, we still, you know, I soon break them in on the vlog, man. Don't worry, man, you know. That is it, man. Frenchman Cove. Beautiful, beautiful. Just look at the beach, man. It's a nice, beautiful place. A lot of tourists come here. When we came here earlier, it was empty, literally. Now we have a lot of people on the beach. You know, good vibes like all the time. And we outside. Same time you come to Jamaica, this is one of the like hidden beauties here in Port Antonio. A lot of people don't know about Port Antonio, but you know, it's in Portland side of Jamaica. So when you come to Jamaica, this is a must. It's kind of raining right now, but it's extremely beautiful, guys. Extremely beautiful. The sun is out right now. The sun is not out right now, but I got some beautiful drone shots, so you guys can check those out. And we outside. The rain messing up the party. The rain messing up the party. But you need that tan, right?
Sorry?
You need a tan.
I know.
I can imagine.
It was my fault. I put cream and then...
Yeah, the rain.
I didn't see.
It's all good, it's all good, it's all good.
What time we
That-
should be?
I would say like 11:30.
Okay, so we can send it a bit more.
Yeah. Or 11. 11.
Yeah, we asked for coffee.
No coffee?
Yeah, they're bringing in 15 minutes.
Okay, good. No problem. Say hi to my vlog. What's your name? Introduce yourself.
Anna,
Where are you from?
Italy.
Italy, that is it. You?
Hello, Veronica from Spain.
Spain, that is it, man, that is it. And how you liking Jamaica so far?
I'm not gonna go back.
You're not gonna go back, you're gonna stay, right? What you say? You loving Jamaica so far?
I'm loving it.
You come back every year?
Hopefully.
Hopefully, right?
If you pay for the trip.
Alright, when I'm rich, I'll send for you,
Every
okay?
year.
Every year, alright?
Like
No
your
problem.
baby.
No problem. See, the sun is back out. That's how it is in Portland, you know? It'll just be like a one cloud, you know, just come carry a little bit of rain, and that's it. After that, back to normal sunshine. Beautiful. That is it, guys. I'm gonna take it to the famous swing. I took some photos as well, two of my guests. I'm gonna upload them so you guys could see them. Yeah, man, I took a sick photo right here. Right here. Look. Look at that. Sick. Yeah, man. Sun come out. Now it's beautiful. Extremely beautiful, guys. Let's check it out, man. And then you book with me, and I take you all over Jamaica. Round trip. You know, explore beautiful natures like this. You know, hidden treasures where, you know, a lot of tourists don't even know about, you know. Yeah, man. Beautiful, man. This is where the river meet the sea. Look at that green. Oh shit, this is so beautiful, man.
people, so we'll lift up here now. Move on to the next adventure. This is a round island trip, so can't spend too long at certain places. But yeah man, it's a vibe. See you next round. Yo, this is a vibe, guys. This is a vibe. Blue Lagoon. Amazing. Fucking amazing. Like, you know what's the crazy thing? It's cold and warm. So, under the bottom is warm, but on the top is cold. That's crazy. But it's beautiful. Yeah, look at this shit. Huh? Pure greenery. Beautiful, guys. Yeah man, these are the stuff I love about Jamaica. You know, the paradise, the island is just amazing. Like, look at this green lagoon. Well, they call it blue, but I would say green. But it's amazing, man. Natural wonders of the world, yo. And right here is very warm. It's a bit cold, warmish. At the top, as I say, it's very cold. But under the bottom, if you put down your foot, it's gonna be warm. That is it. Boy, this nice sea, man. Telling you, Jamaica nice, brother. Jamaica is nice. So we're going into a cave right now. With a small cave. Nothing too crazy. You know. Oh, you can walk out there, so see the entrance up there, so okay. The entrance, you can just walk come down, chill, full of vibe. You know, there's a lookout up there. Yeah, man. Jamaica lifestyle. Big up yourself, my boss. Every time. We take your picture too. To you. That is it, man. That is it, man. Of course. Let me go for Anna. I need Anna to see this, man. Anna, why not Anna not exploring? Why not Anna not exploring? Yeah, I'll be sure. Yeah. So, yeah, trying to go for the other guests, but she moving scared. Doesn't look like she don't want to. Oh, look at the baby sea urchins. All of these are sea urchins, guys. All of these are sea urchins. Look.